If your Google Sheets looks like a messy jungle, you're in for a treat. Let's clear out those duplicates. Today we're diving into 4 easy ways to remove duplicates in Google Sheets. Ready? Let's go. First up, the Remove Duplicates feature. Select your data, head to Data, Data Cleanup, Remove Duplicates. Configure your settings and click Remove Duplicates. Boom, duplicates gone. Next, the Unique formula. Type Unique Range in an empty cell and watch as your unique list appears like magic. Perfect for keeping your original data intact. Want to highlight duplicates instead? Use conditional formatting with a COUNTIF formula. Enter COUNTIF AA1. 1. Pick your highlight style and done. Boom, duplicates highlighted. Finally, pivot tables. Insert a pivot table, drag your columns into rows and values, and set to count. You'll see how many times each value appears. So which method will you try first? Happy deduplicating! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.